we're doing a fun Sarojini Nagar video. So in my last Delhi vlog, I went to Sarojini Nagar and a lot of you were like, do a haul, do a haul, do a haul. I barely bought like 4 or 5 things. So I thought I'd do a different video because a lot of you keep asking me how I wear Sarojini Nagar clothes to like events and red carpet thingies and all of that. So today's video is going to be like kind of like how to make cheap Sarojini clothes look expensive or how to make Sarojini clothes look cool. Are you ready? So first up we have this sequin top that I bought for just 200 rupees, guys. How cool is this? So first rule you want to keep in mind is don't usually do like a head to toe Sarojini look. You want to mix it up. Sarojini is all about finding like key pieces and mixing high-end stuff with just like flea market stuff, which is what Sarojini is. So I've paired this with like ripped jeans, you can throw on like a cool blazer, some heels, and this is what I would wear to an event. So as I said, don't go head to toe with Sarojini and mix it up. Up next we have this cool dress from Sarojini that I got for just 150 rupees, guys. Can you believe it? Now the thing with Sarojini stuff is the quality at times cannot be so great like this. There's no lining whatsoever, so the whole dress is transparent. The sleeves are a bit wonky, like if I let them loose, it's a bit frumpy. And this thing was actually joined here and I actually had to cut it and separate it. So when you're buying stuff from Sarojini, keep in mind why you're buying it. Like I bought this kind of like a beach cover up or to wear over my swimsuit by the pool or for a pool party. So again, dress it up with maybe a pair of heels, a cool hat, some nice dangly earrings, and yeah, just work it. Like chop off the bits, roll up the sleeves, and make it cool. We have this cool jacket that I got for just 250 rupees, guys. Now Sarojini is great for winter wear. So it's super cheap. Like as I said, I got this for 250 bucks. I bought sweaters even earlier for like 100 bucks. And I don't need any of this because I live in a furnace that is called Bombay and it is really hot. But because it's so cheap, every time I go, I end up buying like winter wear from Sarojini. So it's great if you live in a cold place because you have like lots of varieties and options at cheap prices. And even if you don't, when you travel, you want to have cool stuff. But the thing with winter wear is I would say invest in pieces like this because you can layer them, make them look cool with like your jeans, your boots. Again, accessories are key to like up your game. So again, don't go head to toe with Sarojini. Wear like a cool Sarojini jacket with like other basics and cool boots or maybe like a cool sweater. That's how I would do it. So Sarojini is all about finding cool, quirky, unique pieces. Now I got this dress for, wait for it, 250 rupees, guys. It is absolutely insane the stuff you can get there, and this is like, I could actually wear this to like a full-blown event. The thing is with stuff like this, you want to accessorize it, right? So let the clothes do the talking, don't over-accessorize. All I'm doing is pairing it with this cool belt bag and that's it. The dress is just so wow that it doesn't need much. So sometimes you've got to accessorize Sarojini stuff and sometimes you've got to keep it simple because the clothes are pretty cool. My last piece of advice with Sarojini Nagar is invest in solid colored pieces like this one. So if it's not like the last dress, which is like a boom statement, you want to just get something that's a solid color because you can dress it up with heels, a belt bag, you can dress it down with sneakers or flats, and you just get more wear out of it. And also with solid colors, guys, it's hard to kind of identify where it's from. So the best thing about solid colors is that you can't really identify the garment like where it's from. It's just about the color, the cut, and it's just cool, easy to pair with things, and you'll get more wear out of it. The other great thing about solid colors is you can color block like I've done. We've got like a pink belt bag and we've got like fun pink and orange shoes to match the dress. So yeah, solid colors allow you to play with the look a lot. like this look? If you did, I have a giveaway for you guys. So the Papa Don't Preach belt bag that you saw me wearing in this look, which is worth 15,000 rupees, is up for grabs. Check the description, all the details are there. Enter because you can win this. So guys, I hope you liked the video and found it helpful. It was something different we tried. If you did, give it a thumbs up and also comment below with what your favorite item from the haul/look was. See you guys.